We have a single passage for this one. The messenger of the Lord, Malachi 2:17. The messenger of the Lord, you have wearied the Lord with your words. You ask, how have we wearied you? By your saying, all who do evil are good in the eyes of the Lord, and he's pleased with them. Or, where is the God of justice? Not quite sure what to say about this other than obviously to say that even though you're doing evil that you're doing good isn't exactly meaning that you're not still doing evil. And well, Elohim sees that and hears that and doesn't like it. Are we perfect? No. Am I perfect? No. But we need to recognize our failings, recognize our faults, and repent them. And to truly repent, that means to not only say, Elohim, I have wronged you, I am a sinner, I am sorry. But it also means to recognize what you're doing wrong and strive to not do it at all. Just something to meditate on. Good evening. Be good.